Creating a healthy eating plan tailored to your current weight, BMI, and personal goals is one of the most effective ways to improve your overall well-being, support healthy weight loss, and reduce your risk of illness. Let's start by laying out the foundational principles that should guide any eating plan. Then walk through a practical approach you can use to gradually and sustainably reach your goals. First, it's important to recognize that food is more than just fuel. It's the cornerstone of your health, affecting everything from your energy levels and mood to your immune function and risk of chronic disease. Rather than focusing solely on reducing calories, a smart eating plan emphasizes quality, balance, and consistency. Begin by assessing your current habits. Take note of what and when you eat, your portion sizes, and how your choices make you feel physically and emotionally. This self-awareness is the first step toward making meaningful, lasting changes. Consider keeping a food journal for a week to track your intake and identify patterns, such as mindless snacking, emotional eating, or skipping meals, that could be adjusted. Next, calculate your starting point. Your BMI, or body mass index, is a useful indicator of healthy weight, but it's just one number. More important is your overall health status, including factors like blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. If you're overweight or have a BMI above the healthy range, reducing your intake by 10 to 20% is a safe, sustainable target that can yield real results over time. But what does this reduction actually look like in practice? Imagine you currently consume about 2,500 calories per day. A 10% cut would mean eating about 250 fewer calories each day. A difference that could be achieved by skipping a sugary drink, swapping out a dessert, or slightly reducing portion sizes at each meal. A 20% reduction would be about 500 calories less, which might involve a bit more planning, such as replacing calorie-dense foods with lighter, more nutrient-rich options, and being mindful of snacking habits. However, the key is not just to eat less, but to eat better. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods that provide the vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein your body needs to thrive. Build your meals around vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu, and healthy fats from sources like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. These foods are not only satisfying, but also help regulate blood sugar, support gut health, and strengthen your immune system. Fiber deserves special attention. Found in whole plant foods, fiber helps you feel full, supports healthy digestion, and keeps your gut microbiome balanced. Aim to include a source of fiber at every meal. This can be as simple as adding a side of roasted vegetables, tossing beans into a salad, or choosing whole grain bread over white. Staying hydrated is equally important. Water supports every system in your body, helps control appetite, and ensures your digestive tract works smoothly. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day, and more if you're physically active. Limit sugary beverages and alcohol, which can add empty calories and disrupt your metabolism. When it comes to portion sizes, small adjustments can make a big difference. Try using smaller plates and bowls, serving yourself a modest portion first, and then pausing before going back for seconds. Eat slowly and mindfully, savoring each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. It can take time for your brain to register that you're satisfied, so giving yourself a few extra minutes before reaching for more can help prevent overeating. Meal timing also plays a role in your overall health. Try to eat regular meals and snacks throughout the day, rather than skipping meals and then overeating later. Balanced meals spread out over the day can help maintain steady energy levels, prevent cravings, and support a healthy metabolism. Physical activity is a vital partner to healthy eating. Exercise helps burn calories, build muscle, regulate blood sugar, and release mood-boosting endorphins. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing, and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Even small increases in daily movement, like taking the stairs or walking after dinner, can make a positive impact. Stress management and sleep are often overlooked, but they are crucial for weight management and immune health. Chronic stress can increase cravings for unhealthy foods and disrupt hormones that regulate appetite. Prioritize relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, or spending time in nature. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as poor sleep can interfere with weight loss and lower your resistance to illness. As you put your plan into action, remember that progress is not always linear. There will be days when you stray from your goals, and that's okay. The key is to stay consistent over the long term, make adjustments as needed, and celebrate your successes, however small. Avoid the trap of extreme restriction. Eating too little not only makes it harder to stick to your plan, but it can also deprive your body of essential nutrients, weaken your immune system, and slow your metabolism. Instead, aim for gradual, sustainable changes that you can maintain for life. If you'd like a simple example meal plan to get you started, consider the following structure. For breakfast, try a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and a handful of nuts, or scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. At lunch, enjoy a big salad with mixed greens, colorful vegetables, grilled chicken or chickpeas, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon. For dinner, fill half your plate with roasted or steamed vegetables, add a serving of brown rice or quinoa, and a portion of baked fish or tofu. Snack on fresh fruit, carrot sticks with hummus, or a small handful of almonds if you're hungry between meals. Above all, listen to your body. If you feel tired, irritable, or unwell, you may need to adjust your intake or seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Every body is different, and the best plan is one that supports your unique needs, fits your lifestyle, and helps you feel your best. By reducing processed foods, prioritizing whole, nutrient-rich ingredients, and making gradual, thoughtful changes, you'll be taking powerful steps toward a healthier weight, a stronger immune system, and a happier, more energetic life. Healthy eating and regular exercise are two essential pillars of a balanced, vibrant life. When you combine nutritious food choices with consistent physical activity, the benefits multiply. Eating a variety of whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables provides your body with the fuel it needs to perform at its best. Pairing this with regular movement, whether it's brisk walks, cycling, yoga, or strength training, helps boost energy levels, improve mood, and support heart health. Exercise also aids digestion and can help regulate appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about making small, sustainable changes. Start by adding an extra serving of greens to your meals and setting aside time for movement each day. Over time, these habits will become second nature, leading to a happier, healthier you. Your mind and body will thank you for the effort. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on healthy living.